Hey guys, what's going on? So I told you that I was gonna make a video on my handlebar mustache tutorial, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. First of all, I use this Clubman. It's called it's called Clubman. It's a brown mustache wax that I use, and it comes with a green comb, but I don't use the green comb because there's not enough, there's not enough control when it comes to using that little thing. So I'm using a regular one instead. Okay, so just watch me and it's gonna be very simple. First I put it on my thumb. Yeah, I use a lot. Yeah, that should be good enough. All right. Now I rub it together like so. Yeah, it's kind of difficult to do when you have a lot of wax in the thumbs. Honestly, I don't need to use this much, but I'm very, I am very serious about having a good mustache, so I have to use as much as I can. All right. A little bit more. All right, that looks about even. Okay, so now I have to rub it on each side of the mustaches. I mean mustache. But I say mustaches because there's two sections. So I'm gonna use this thumb on this side and this thumb on this side. So just watch. Yeah, I got some on the skin a little bit, so I'm just gonna rub it off with my finger. The funny thing is, I don't usually talk when I'm doing this because I want it to be completely steady when I'm completely done curling it, but I'm giving you all a tutorial, so it doesn't matter. Now I use the comb. And now the moment we've all been waiting for. I just use my fingers and I curl it up like this. Thanks to that, I know that I have some under my mouth, so I can use my finger to... Yeah, I'm not the best when it comes to this, but you know. Okay, so... Now, the curling is a little difficult, but you just gotta be patient. And there you go. That's pretty much it. But yeah, so like I said, I usually don't talk while I'm doing this. And when I'm done, I usually stay quiet for at least like 10 minutes or so, because I'm really serious when it comes to having a good mustache. So, but yeah, I mean, I'm about to wash this off anyways. And I had to get rid of it because of the fact that I got accepted for Nikki Peterson's program. I need to like at least I have to trim it a little bit. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And like I said, this is gonna be the last video I make in a while. So I just hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.